Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Slice 3 pounds of yellow onions to 1/8 inch and begin over medium-low heat so they release moisture slowly. That means 2 tablespoons butter plus 1 tablespoon oil in a wide, heavy pan. Sprinkle 1 teaspoon salt and a pinch of sugar to help caramelization, then stir every 5 to 7 minutes as sugars develop. Expect 45 to 60 minutes until deep mahogany color. When you see brown fond, deglaze with 1/4 cup dry white wine or 2 tablespoons vinegar to capture flavor. After deglazing, add 6 cups beef broth and 2 cups chicken stock for a rich base. Include 1 cup dry white wine if desired for acidity. Add 3 sprigs thyme and 1 bay leaf. Bring to a gentle simmer and cook uncovered 25 to 30 minutes so flavors marry and the liquid reduces slightly. Skim any surface fat and bits, then taste. Season with 1 teaspoon salt and up to 1/2 teaspoon freshly ground black pepper. Adjusting to your palate, before slice a baguette into 1-inch rounds and brush lightly with oil. Toast on a sheet at 400 F for 8 to 10 minutes until crisp so it won't go soggy. Ladle hot soup into oven-proof bowls, place 1 to 2 toasted rounds on each, and distribute about 6 ounces Gruyere for 4 bowls, or 1.5 ounces per bowl. You can also mix Gruyere with 1 ounce Parmesan. Broil on high 2 to 3 minutes until cheese bubbles and browns. Serve immediately with hot mitts and a spoon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.